Hey everyone! Welcome to our channel, and if you're ready to embrace a healthier lifestyle, you're in the right place. Here, we believe that health is more than just a diet or a workout. It's a holistic way of living. We're all about creating balanced routines that nourish both your body and mind. From meal prep hacks to fitness tips, we've got something for everyone on their journey to better health. Today, I want to give you a sneak peek into what to expect on our channel. First up, let's chat about creating balanced routines. Building a healthy lifestyle starts with consistency. I'll show you how to design routines that fit into your life, helping you stay organized, focused, and energized throughout the week. It's all about finding a rhythm that makes you feel amazing. But that's not all. We dive deep into the often overlooked aspect of our health: mental well-being. Mental health is just as crucial as physical health. I'll share strategies to boost your mood, manage stress, and practice mindfulness. Whether it's meditation or simple breathing exercises, we'll explore tools that can help you find peace and joy in your daily life. And then there's the all-important topic of sleep. Did you know that optimizing your sleep can drastically improve your overall health? We'll break down the science behind sleep and share tips on how to create a restful environment, develop a nighttime routine, and ensure you wake up feeling refreshed every day. Trust me, it's a game changer. Join me as we uncover common myths about health, ensure you get the most out of your meals, and stay active in ways that fit your lifestyle. It's about progress, not perfection. So, whether you're just starting your health journey or looking to enhance your current routine, remember that every small step counts. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Join our community of like-minded individuals striving for a healthier, happier life. Can't wait to see you in the next video.